Hello, welcome back to part 61 of this video tutorial how to build a Pacman game in XNA. Please don't forget to buy the content. Send €2.95 to PayPal account XNAPacman 2013 at hotmail.com. We send the content in 24 hours to your email address. In this tutorial we're going to build the intro class, but before we're going to do that we're going to build the check keyboard function. And that's the same function as we have used in our map builder tool. So we're going to copy that. So go to the map builder project and open the utils class. And here at the top we have the check keyboard function. So we're going to copy this. And we open our utils from the Pacman project. And here at the top we're going to paste it. Now we need to add another using statement. So using Microsoft XNA Framework.input for the keyboard. Right? And now we have this done. We're going to create the intro class, so go to project, add class, and we call it the intro.cs. And the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to add the using block from the object class. So we're going to copy this, we're going to paste it here, and we're going to add here some using statements. So using Microsoft.xna.framework.audio and using Microsoft.xna.framework.input for the keyboards. Right? And it's a public class, so public class intro. And the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to define some private variables. And the first one is a private texture 2D, and we call it the intro texture. Represents the intro texture. Now we need the current and previous keyboard states, and they are the same as we have used in the Pacman class, so we're going to copy that. So go to the Pacman class, and in the private section here at the top you find the current and previous keyboard states. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it here in the intro class. Alright, now we have a private sound effect, and we call it the Pacman intro sound. Represents the Pacman intro sound. And we have a private bool. Is spacebar pressed? Indicates if the spacebar is pressed, right? And now we have to define some public variable. A public bool is alive. Indicates if the intro object should be update and draw. And we have a public ready, and we call it ready. represents the ready object. Now we need to build the constructor. That's a public intro. Set is alive flag default true, so is alive is equals to true. Set is spacebar pressed flag default false, so is spacebar pressed is equals to false. And create a new ready object. So ready is equals to new ready, and we're going to pass in 250, 125 and 155. Alright. And that's the intro constructor. And now we need to build the load content method. And that's a public void load content, and we need the content manager. Load the Pacman intro sound, so Pacman intro sound is equals to content dot load, and we're gonna load a sound effect. And now we need to copy the sound file. So if you have by the content, go to your zip folder, and in the sounds directory you need the Pacman intro sound file. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it in our Pacman content project to our sounds folder. Right? So now we can say here sounds Pacman intro. Alright. Load the intro texture. So intro texture is equals to content dot load, and we're going to load a texture 2D. And now we need to copy the texture, so go back to your zip folder, and now we need to go to the sprites folder, and we need the intro texture. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it to our sprites folder from our Pacman content project. Just like this. Right? And now we can say here sprites intro. Load the content for the intro object. And now we need to build the update method. And that's a public void update. Get the current keyboard state. So current keyboard state is equals to keyboard.getState. And at the bottom set the previous keyboard state. So previous keyboard state is equals to the current keyboard state. Right? Okay, I'm gonna finish the tutorial here, and in the next tutorial we're gonna finish the intro class and we're gonna implement it. So I hope you enjoy and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.